Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super important topic: how to transfer your XDC tokens from Uphold to your Ledger Nano S Plus. This full guide is tailored for 2025, ensuring you stay ahead with the latest security practices. Why bother? Well, moving your assets to a hardware wallet like the Ledger Nano S Plus keeps your XDC safe from online threats. Let's get started. First things first, before we jump in, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need an Uphold account with your XDC tokens, a fully set up Ledger Nano S Plus device, and the Ledger Live app installed on your computer. Also, double check that your Ledger firmware is up to date. It's crucial for compatibility. Step 1. Open your Ledger Live app and connect your Ledger Nano S Plus via USB. Unlock it with your PIN, then navigate to the Accounts section. If XDC isn't showing up, go to Manager and install the XDC app on your device. Once that's done, you'll see your XDC wallet address. Copy that down carefully, as it's case sensitive. Next, log into your Uphold account on your web browser. Head over to your XDC wallet page. Look for the Send or Withdraw option. Paste the Ledger's XDC address into the recipient field. Double-check everything: the address, the amount you want to send, and any network fees. XDC transactions are fast, but fees can vary, so aim for a standard speed to save costs. Hit Confirm and approve the transaction on Uphold. You'll get a confirmation email, and the funds should appear on your Ledger in a few minutes. Keep an eye on your Ledger screen for the transaction details to ensure it's all good. One quick tip: always verify the address by comparing it on both devices to avoid any scams. If you run into issues, like delays, check the XDC network status online. And remember, never share your private keys. There you have it. That's how you securely transfer XDC from Uphold to your Ledger Nano S Plus in 2025. You've just leveled up your crypto security game. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.